In this video, we're going to be looking at how to use eBay best offer feature in order to go ahead and get the best deals out of anyone. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So for example, let's just say I want to buy this iPhone right over here. Now, all I need to do is simply go ahead and look for the option that says make an offer. However, there are only a couple of ways you can go ahead and do that. That was just eBay refurbished, so you couldn't go ahead and do it. But if you go ahead and find some stuff that people are selling, so let me just say, okay, watches, for example, and let's just say I want to get some Rolexes, right? And now I want to get a Submariner, and I'm gonna go ahead and choose, let's just say this one. Now, I can simply go ahead and make an offer by simply entering a bid or making an offer button, and that is about it. So you can go ahead and choose the things that you are purchasing, and it is on very limited things. So as you can see, there is the make offer option. You can simply go ahead and click on continue and then enter the offer that you want to offer. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down